Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Tuesday, June 20th, 2023. What I have here is the third of three Northwest Envirofan heavy-duty gold lines. Now, this one is from September 2004. The other ones were from 05 and 01. So I have it just plugged in because it has a plug instead of the wires. So I'm only going to run it on fast. Now, it's not perfect by any means. The sticker's starting to peel off. One of the blades here has big scuff on it right there where the paint stripped off. Kind of tempted, actually. Just strip the whole thing down so it's that sort of that metal look. But anyway, yeah, it is what it is. This fan is for sale or trade if anyone's interested. So without further ado, let's take it for a test spin. So you can tell when I turned it on, the motor started making a little bit of a humming sound. So it's this fan isn't perfect by any stretch of the imagination. However, it is obviously functional. So anyone who buys it, it's it's as is. It gets the job done. It's not aesthetically perfect, but it's not horrible. I think there might be a little bit of scuffing on the front, not much on that point. And like I said, the aforementioned stripe on the blade. From this angle, one of the blades might be slightly bent. Maybe that's why it's wobbling. It's hard to tell. But obviously, once it's spinning fast enough, it doesn't manifest itself. Yeah, see, these are actually my favorite of newer industrials. In a world of the day turds and all the cheap new industrials they have that those are great until they're not, but these are, I like the aesthetics of them. I like the performance of them. So they still don't hold a candle to the original gold lines, like these ones here. But they're not horrible either. They're the old ones that were made in, I forget if it was Hong Kong or Taiwan. They were much better. These newer ones are made in China. They're a little flimsier, a little smaller motors, not quite as powerful, but they still are decent fans. So good performers, you could see. A true industrial fan from opposed to a commercial fan. Like these, you could have 100 feet in the air in a factory, and you're still going to get a breeze from it. birds living under the eaves of my garage here. So that's the all the chirping and the fluttering you're hearing. Yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.